Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and I'm starting off on the 1 hour time frame. So we had a big push down on Friday on the US dollar CAD. We're kind of hoping this is the end of a wave C. If that is the end of a wave C, then this now should start a brand new downtrend on like the 4 hour daily time frame. If that's true, that means that this move that we're currently seeing to the upside could just be a pullback to this last wave down. So we got one pretty impulsive move up. That could be a wave A. This could be three waves up B. We could drift up a little bit today, but that move up could be a wave C, and then eventually it could end up continuing the downtrend. So we definitely want to keep an eye out for short. It definitely does not have to take out the high of wave A. It can make a lower high. So be very cautious about trying to go long because it could make a lower high and just continue down starting a brand new downtrend on the higher time frames pretty much at any time. So definitely got a bearish bias as of now. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.